This Scrunchie taught me one of the biggest lessons in my business journey, a mistake that cost me money, time, and confidence. While I make this Scrunchie today, let me tell you what happened. When I started my Scrunchie business, I was extremely excited. Like most new entrepreneurs, I wanted everything to look perfect. I wanted more products, more colors, more collections, more variety. I believe that if I had more options, customers would buy more. Sounds logical, right? So I started buying fabrics, lots of fabrics, satin, cotton, printed, premium fabrics. Every time I saw a beautiful fabric, I thought this will definitely sell. And before I realized it, I had invested a large amount of money into inventory. The problem? I was buying based on my personal preference, not customers' demand. After creating all these products, I was very excited for the orders. I posted photos, made reels, shared stories. Then I waited and waited and waited. Some products sold, but many didn't. A lot of inventory simply sat there. The fabrics look beautiful, the scrunchies look amazing, but customers weren't buying them. That's when I learned a painful lesson. Just because you like a product doesn't mean your customers will. I had tied up money in products that weren't moving, money that could have been used for marketing, better packaging, new launches, business growth. Instead, it was sitting on my shelves. No one really talks about this part. The emotional side is when the products don't sell, you start questioning yourself. You think maybe my products aren't good enough, maybe my content is bad, maybe this business won't work. I remember looking at boxes full of unsold inventory and feeling disappointed. But because I lost money, but because I felt like I have failed, but here's something more important. Failure doesn't mean your business is failing. Sometimes failure is simply a feedback. One day, instead of guessing what customers wanted, I decided to ask them. I started paying attention to customer messages, comments, Instagram posts, order patterns, and something surprisingly happened. Customers repeatedly chose certain colors, certain fabrics, certain designs again and again. Meanwhile, some of the products I personally loved weren't getting attention at all. That's when I realized customers decide what succeeds, not the business owner. After that, I completely changed how I operated. Instead of buying large quantities, I started testing small batches. Instead of launching 20 designs, I launched 5. Instead of guessing, I listened. This reduced waste, reduced stress, and improved profits. Practical lessons: never invest heavily before testing demand. Customers' feedback is more valuable than your assumptions. Just because you are making products doesn't mean you are growing. Growth happens when products are actually selling. And if you are starting a small business today, here's what I would tell you: don't chase perfection, don't try to launch everything at once, don't compare your beginning to someone else's success. Start simple, learn quickly, improve continuously, and most importantly, listen to your customers. Your customers will only tell you exactly how to grow your business if you are willing to listen. Looking back, I'm very grateful for that mistake because it taught me lessons that no business course could ever. It made me smarter, more careful, and more focused on what truly matters. If you have ever made a mistake in your business or career, share it in the comments. Let's learn from each other. And if you are building something of your own, remember this: a mistake is only expensive if you refuse to learn from it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And join me on this journey as we continue to grow. Let's go, Scrunchies. See you in the next video.